Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mathematics Year 3. Money, addition of money. How to add money? First, you have to arrange the digits. Then, make sure the decimal point is aligned. And make sure Ringgit Malaysia or RM and Sen is aligned too. After that, look at the question. Add extra zeros to the right of the number, especially Sen, so that each number has the same number of digits to the right of the decimal place. Sometimes there are questions you have not add extra zeros, which is that question without Sen. Add the numbers as whole numbers, but don't forget the decimal point. Example 1. Now look. 1A. Calculate the total cost of bicycle and helmet. Look at the question. RM 361 at RM 125 equal to. Look at the specimen of money here. So when you add up, you got the answer is RM 486. Now look at the bill. Here's the bill for bicycle, crash helmet, and jersey. And then, if the answer for the question, total cost of bicycle and helmet is 486 ringgit, so the total cost of bicycle and helmet is Ringgit Malaysia 486. Now, we go to example 2. B. What is the total cost of the 3 items? Remember the first bill. RM 361 at RM 125 at RM 79 equal to. There are two methods here, method 1 and method 2. For method 1, you have to add up two money here, two total of money here, which is RM 361 at RM 125, and you got RM 486. After that, you add up the answer here with RM 79, and you got the answer is RM 565. Then for method 2, you add up all the 3 costs. And then you got the same answer. The total cost of the 3 items is RM 565. Don't use 2 methods for one question, but you can pick another method 1 or method 2. Okay, method 1 or method 2. Don't ever do 2 methods for one question. Just pick method 1 or method 2. Okay, now look at example 3. Number 2. RM 2073 5 cent at RM 948 60 cent at RM 1329 75 cent equal to. Okay, now look. Remember the previous slide? You have to align RM. You have to align the decimal point. Okay, now look. Add up. 5 cents. Add 60 cents. Add 75 cents equal to 140 cents, which is equal to RM1 40 cents. So 40 cents is here and 1 is here. And then after you add up the three costs here, you got RM 4,351 40 cents. Example 4. Number 3. What happened if we got unknown here? RM 3,480 at unknown equal to RM 7,500. If you got unknown here, so what should we do is you move this RM 3,480 to behind RM 7,500. So you got here subtract. Okay, subtract. Then after you subtract, you got 4,020. So RM 3,480 and RM 4,020 equal to RM 7,500. Now, how to write the addition of money in your exercise book? Look at the question. RM 1,639 and 60 cents and RM 857 and 90 cents equal to. Now look, RM, you have to left one box here and then you write the numbers 1639. This one decimal point, align this decimal point, 60, and then add RM, align RM also, and then 857 decimal point and 90 cents. This is how to write the addition of money question in your exercise book. Please follow the rules. Your task. Copy the question into exercise book and calculate the answers. These the questions. A, B, C, D, E, F. But for you, this question is not enough. Now, open your activity book, page 77 and 78, which is money, addition of money, activity 1, number 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, and number 2, solve this. This one is the place you want to calculate the question. You want to find the answer, so just write your question here like this. Okay, and page 78, calculate the price to be paid. This thing box and the total amount paid. Okay, class, that's all for today. Thank you.